So here's a fun fact that I learned. If you get in your car and it's like really, really hot, the best thing you can do is open your windows and drive like with them like this for like 30 seconds because it gets all that hot pressurized air out and then it can let in the cool air from the air conditioning. And I'd heard this before and I thought it was bullshit. It's not. I do it every time now, and I know people must think I'm crazy because when it's like 105 and you're opening your windows, nobody wants to be in that. What's up, Bam Bam? Today I'm going to be taking some of your advice and getting a lash lift and tint. I thought that that thing was my hair when I was like this, and I was like, what's going on? In one of my previous videos, I wasn't wearing mascara, and I talked about how the reason I wasn't wearing mascara was because I just hate mascara. I didn't feel like doing false lashes.
I've never really liked mascara. My eyelashes basically grow down, and even with a curler, they just curl to like straight, and they're blonde, so even when I get the bottom of my lashes, the top still looks plain, so I've just given up.
And so I just was kind of going lash commando, so to speak. In the past, I've gotten lash extensions. I absolutely loved the way that they looked, but wasn't really over the moon about how expensive they are because they cost about $200 for the initial session, and then you need to get a fill every 2 to 4 weeks. And the longer you wait, the more expensive they're gonna be, obviously, because they're gonna have to put more extensions in. I just wasn't in love with the fact that if you waited and you didn't go get a fill, your eyelashes looked really spread out, and I came to the conclusion that lash extensions in general are more for people who don't wear a lot of eyeshadow or makeup in general because they look beautiful on their own. You can't put eyeliner on, you can't really use oily product. It's really for people who don't already, like, they just get up and go. They're perfect for those types of people. That's not really me. Based off of your recommendations, I'm going to go get a lash lift and tint so that my lashes can be nice and dark, and then on top of that, they will be lifted up so that they actually seem like they're open. So let me just show you my lashes really quick so you know what I'm talking about. Bam! Little lash glue on there, but you can see, for the most part, they're going straight. If I look up, you can see not super cute, not really going anywhere, and they're very short. I really like this camera. It's the G7X, but man, it takes forever to actually autofocus. I'm hoping that this is going to be a good experience. The cost on this is costing $75. I believe it's $50 for the lash lift and then $25 for the tint. It's supposed to last, I believe, 6 weeks. I'm going to verify all of this stuff, but that lasts a whole lot longer and it's a hell of a lot cheaper than lash extensions. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys, just finished up. It is 2:12, so it took just about over an hour, about an hour and 10-ish minutes, I'm gonna say. Look at them though. Oh my God, they're so cute. I actually am super duper excited about this because, I mean, you can see the lift right away. The difference is huge. The tint on them is also really, really nice. It was really quite simple. I'm sorry I didn't do a video like while I was getting it done. I don't have anybody with me, and because your eyes are closed the whole time, it's not exactly easy to hold up a camera, you know what I mean, to show it, but I can definitely walk you through what the process was. The first thing that they do is they take these gel pads and they tape down your lower lashes because obviously you don't want your bottom lashes to be curled, so especially not up. So they do that, they kind of tape it down. It feels a little bit weird, but it's not that big of a deal. Then you close your eyes stay closed the whole time, so you kind of like, if you're like me and you don't really talk while you're getting these kind of things done, it's definitely a little bit weird, just in the sense that like you have to kind of keep yourself awake, and I kept getting worried I was gonna start like snoring or something, because you start to go into like a meditative state because your eyes are closed for so long. The next thing they do is they put these little rollers onto your eyes, and that's so that when they put the lash lotion to make them curled, it's so that they have somewhere to kind of curl onto. So she taped those on, applied the curling lotion, that stayed on for 8 minutes, and then she applied what I think she called the lash lotion, which is what seals in the curling lotion. That stayed on for 5 minutes, and then she put on the tint, and the tint stayed on for 10 minutes. There was this bright light, but between each time she put the towel over my face, over my eyes, so that I could relax. But then right when she would take it off, it was like blinding through my eyelids. You know, if you're in the super, super dark and then you turn the lights on and it's really, really bright. Pretty much like that. The only part that was even mildly irritating was when she first put on the curling lotion, I could feel it a little bit on my lash line and like on my eyeball, like the inner waterline, tight line. And it felt kind of like if you have contacts in for too long. So just like a slight irritation, not anything that's really bad, just kind of like you're aware of it. There's like a slight burn, like, you know, most of you probably know that feeling of when you've just had contacts in for too long and you just need to take them out. It's almost like if your eyes are really dry, sort of a similar feeling. It went away relatively quickly. It was only when the curling lotion was on. The tint felt like nothing. The lash lotion to set the curl didn't feel like anything. Very, very easy. Overall though, it was really quick, really easy. As I said, $75 at this place. The place that I went, if you live in Arizona, is called AZ Lash and Tan. If you want to tell them that Leisha referred you, then you get 15% off, and then I get 15% off is what they said. I don't have any deal with them or anything. This was just their like friends discount. They were really nice, really clean. Everything was nice in there, and it was relatively quick. I was told that this will last 4 to 6 weeks. The girl who did it said that hers usually lasts 6 to 8 weeks, and she said that something that can affect this is if you sweat a lot, or if you go swimming a lot, or if, you know, you are washing your face a lot, like your eyelashes are getting wet a lot, basically is what it came down to, then it'll last less. Think of it like getting a perm and a color the same way you would on your hair to your lashes, because if you constantly are getting your hair wet, washing it, you know, those treatments are going to come out quicker, and it's the same thing for your eyelashes. But I am super happy with this. It's almost like these cutie little lashes, like little cutie ones, you know? It makes me want to get to try and make my lashes grow, because my lashes are relatively short, and this is just, oh my gosh, it's just so cute. It's just like cutie little, like my first lashes, you know what I mean? Like when you go and you see those Ardell lashes, because you've never gotten lashes before, and those long ones are like really intimidating, so you just get those like little baby ones. That's what it reminds me of, just like these little babies. They're just like, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm really happy that I did this. Thank you to all of you that recommended this. There was quite a few of you who recommended me getting this done, and I love it, and I'm so glad that I did it. This is something I would totally recommend, especially to anybody that is like me, that has straight hair lashes or just blonde lashes. This is just awesome. This is cute, cute, cutie cutes. Cutie, cutie, cutes. I'm really happy with it. So that's all for this video. Let me know any other treatments or things that you want to see me get done. I am ready to be your guinea pig for this type of stuff, and I'll see you next time. Just want to share this with you all. I got a new windshield 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. And look at that. 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks. Freaking trucks with their dirt and gravel. Oh my God.